Well, how y'all doing today? So this is an update on my fridge dilemma. Thank God May showed up today. Ain't seen her in a while. And she came with her two nephews and her niece. And I hollered at her and I gave the kids a bunch of snacks. And I said, May, I done had my fridge quit working. She said, you got to call them. And I told her Jerry's been here 7 years and he done had a tree take out both of his front windows, and he called him, and to me that's emergency, people. They should have been over there fixing that. I mean, after hours, it's an emergency. So anyway, I lined all them kids up and gave them Walmart bags, and I said, here, hold this, here, hold this, here, hold that. And I started emptying out my fridge. And I must give that woman about $100 worth of meat alone. And I feel blessed doing that. I do not feel like I have lost anything. I feel blessed in paying it forward. And people, that's the way it ought to be. So, it's turned out good. It really has. And you know what? You know, you reap what you sow, people. So to me, this was just an opportunity for a blessing. And I know I blessed her. She was so blessed with that. And I told you, you're going to have to cook it. Because once it's been frozen and it thaws, you can't freeze it again. They tell you not to. Google it. And, well, it was just a blessing for me. And I thank God for that. I do. Well, you all have a blessed weekend. You all have a blessed day. And remember that, you know, it's not a bad thing. Pay it forward now. And helping somebody, loving your neighbor is a good thing. It really is. And I feel blessed. My cup is full. I don't feel like I've lost anything. You know, I feel like I helped somebody. And that means a lot to me. So you all have a blessed day, blessed holiday with your family. And God bless. Bye-bye.